In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually host your video trainings on Selar without being on the pro version of Selar. Now, this video is a response to a comment I got in my previous video, right? I'm going to attach the comment on the screen so you see the comment. The person wanted to upload their video courses on Selar and it was not working. And the reason is because Selar, before you can upload your videos on Selar, you must be on the pro, right? You must be on the pro plan before you can do that. But there is a way you can actually use Selar to collect your payments and still host your video training. So that is why I am making this video. Okay, so I want to be dropping the link of the full video I taught about how to use Selar to make money and how to create digital products using ChatGPT and Canva. I'm going to be dropping the links in the description so you can actually watch. If you have not been following me or watch my videos, you can actually watch those videos so that you can catch up with this one I am making now. Okay, so you don't get confused about it. So let me go straight into the video. I don't want it to be a long video, right? Okay, now I am assuming that you have already created your digital product and you want to upload. So when you are inside the Selar, dashboard, right? So when you're inside the Selar dashboard, this is how it will look. Okay, this is how it looks. Now you click on add products. If you click on add product, this is what I'm saying. You cannot upload your video if you're not on pro. So for the fact that you're not on pro, it will not work. You can only upload ebooks. So but this is how you can actually do the videos. So here you click on digital product. I'm just going to upload anything here, right? Upload anything here. Let me upload this, and now the product free. Let me just name it anything. So the name of the product free. Now let's just add something here in the description. These descriptions you can generate them with ChatGPT. I've already talked about these things in my previous videos. The links will be in the comment section. Okay, so you add your descriptions. You can generate those things with ChatGPT. Here you add your category. If there's a subcategory for the product, or there should be a subcategory, it helps especially affiliate marketers to get hold of your products faster. So you choose your subcategory depending on the product you just created or the training or the course you just created. So let's say it's finance and investment. This is just an example. Okay, now here you just upload anything here. You will just design something on Canva, probably thank you for buying or something. Just put anything here. Now the reason why is because if you don't post anything here, they will not allow you like use the feature I'm talking about now. So let's just upload anything here. Let me see, upload happy new month. But you cannot design something like thank you for buying, or thank you for, or your order is ready, or something, just something that I will drop down on their email. So once you upload that is uploaded, you click on this place that says automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL. So what this thing does is that when the person clicks on pay, Selar collects the money, then redirects them to another platform. Now this is what you're going to do. Okay, you click here and then this thing pops up. You can see redirect URL. Let me get my face off this place. You can see, so here it says with this option your customers are redirected after a purchase to an external URL you set. If they want them to access the file, you upload it on Selar, not the URL. Now you don't want them to access the file because you're not on pro, right? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go on Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, download Telegram. You can do these things with your phone. Download it with your other app store or Play Store. So when you download Telegram, you create a new channel. Let's say you created a product on money. You're teaching them how to make money. All right, put the description. It is optional. Then you add your picture of your course, something you designed on Canva, right? Everything is in the description below. How to use Canva is there. Okay, let me get this here. Now you click here, the channel has been created. Okay, now you go to the channel setting, click here, go to the channel settings. If you go to the channel setting, you go down here and click on channel type. Okay, click on channel type. It will show you private and public channel. You leave it on private, then you turn on this restrict saving content. So what this thing does is that people that are in the channel cannot save they cannot save the things inside the channel. They cannot copy anything on the channel, right? They cannot save, they cannot copy anything on the channel. Okay, so you turn this on and then you are good to go. What you now do is copy the link of this channel, right, and paste it here on Selar. Okay, you now click on create product. Now on this Telegram, what I want you to do is those videos, the videos you made, don't make a very long video, because Telegram does not contain very long videos, right? Just make your videos to be within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5 minutes to 7 minutes. It shouldn't be long. Break down your courses to be 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and upload all the videos on this channel. All right. So when the person makes payment, it will automatically bring them inside this Telegram channel. That is one way of doing it. Now the next way of doing it is that you can go on YouTube. Maybe you have a YouTube channel, right? You create a playlist, a private playlist, and upload the videos there. Upload the videos of your training on the private playlist. Then copy the link of that playlist and paste on this channel. Okay. So once the person enters the channel, they will see the link. They will see the link on your right, or click on this link to access the course. And they click on the link, it will now take them to YouTube, and they watch the videos of the training there. But the downside about using the YouTube option is that they can actually share the link of the video to another person on YouTube. You cannot control that. But if you upload the videos here on Telegram, they cannot copy or forward the video, because you have restricted that when you are setting up the channel. So I hope I'm clear with that. All right. So you upload your product design. Let me go through it again. You upload the product design, write your product title, description, put your price. Okay. Write the description, put the category, subcategory, and everything. Then you upload something here. You can design, like I said, you can design something like thank you for buying, or welcome note or something like that. Okay. But you have to upload something here. Then you click on automatic redirect the buyer. Okay, so here you copy the link of your Telegram channel. Let me do it again. Of your Telegram channel. So here you copy the link of your Telegram channel and paste, and then you click on create product. Okay, now the product will be created. As you can see, the product has been created. Look at it here. I said your products file is live. I just named this file. So here, this is your product link. Okay, let me open it in a new tab so you see it. So as you can see, this is a picture I posted. This is just a picture I uploaded for educational purposes. Okay, and here, this is where a description will be, title and everything will be. Then once the person clicks on buy, right? When the person clicks on buy and makes payment, Selar will automatically redirect them inside this Telegram channel where they will find your videos. Okay, so I hope this video helped. I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I simplify how to make money online. My mission is to make sure that you make money online. And if you have any questions that is troubling, maybe you have a site or a platform that you want to review, you can drop it in the comment section. I will make research about the platform and I will come here to give my honest review. All right. And if you have questions on the previous videos you have done, you can always ask me questions and I will make a video to explain more. Here in this channel, everyone is family. Okay, you can also join my private Telegram channel. The links will be on the description. Now in the comments, I want you to tell me where you're watching from, which country are you watching from, and are you willing to try out this particular hack I just showed you right now? Drop it in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to respond everybody, and I'll even shout out in my next video. All right, see you in my next video. Peace.